Covetousness is a sin, and it is a sin because it is an attempt to have without putting in the necessary actions. The Bible says in Exodus 20 verse 17, you shall not covet your neighbor's house, you shall not covet your neighbor's wife or his male or female servant, his ox or donkey or anything that belongs to your neighbor. Why? Because the act of covetousness simply means you desire to possess something someone else has without putting in the work that person put in. So that on its own is a sin. That's why the Bible says, do not envy anyone's belongings, anyone's wife. Why? Because you are supposed to put yourself in a position to earn the things you desire, so you don't have to desire other people's things. It is a sin to desire something you're not willing to put in the work for. It could be someone's wife, it could be someone's house, it could be someone's car, it could be someone's lifestyle. I don't want to say life, but lifestyle. Because it means you're not willing to put in the necessary work to have what that person has, because that person had to put in the work to get there. That is why it becomes a sin before the eyes of the Lord. So do not envy what anyone else has. Work for what you want to have.